Hey everybody, just finished this Volkswagen here with the DPF filter. This is part 4. Actually I lost count, I'm not sure, maybe part 5, but we finished the car. Car's perfect, runs properly, but I had to actually get a heat shield for the wiring harness and make it look nice and so it doesn't melt, especially the one down here. So that one there, I put a new heat shield there all the way to the bottom, and then cable tied to the top, and even the plugs here, it's all done properly. So the wire is protected so it doesn't get melted. And I put a new vacuum hose for the turbo actuator here, because that one there had a hole in it. So that one there had a hole in it, so I just bypass it and put a new one of these just for now. So later on I'll get a new one and then tell the customer to come back. But I mean, you don't really need it, it's okay. But at the moment it looks alright, so it looks, now I'm gonna plug it back in and go for road test. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.